how to add card on Appside app. So first things first, open our Appside app over here. And you're just simply going to click on your profile over here on the top right. Clicking on the profile will show us this section over here where you will be able to see the option My Wallet. Click on My Wallet over here and just simply click on Add a New Card option. Then, in this page, you will be able to enter your card information. So simply enter the required information, enter the following numbers, the first letters or the first numbers and the last four. And after that, simply click on Done, and you should be able to successfully add your card to your wallet. Now, you are now able to utilize that card with any type of purchase that you're going to do on our Appside app. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.